Shabbat Shalom, the blessing of space. I always wonder about families from previous generations that had many children and lived in much smaller accommodations than we have today. How different were their lives since they were living practically on top of each other? Did they fight all the time because they didn't have as much space? In this week's Parshat we read about Avraham, and in one scene his shepherds and the shepherds of his nephew Lot are fighting. So Avraham proposes that they split up their camp. Avraham says, Al na tehi meriva beini uveincha ki anashim achim anachnu. Let there not be a quarrel between us because we are like brothers. Rabbi Moshe Chefetz comments that when people who are as close as brothers fight, the wounds are deeper and it can be harder to reconcile. And indeed it's true, those who are closest to us can hurt us the most deeply. Not all fights lead to irreparable damage, and not all fights can be prevented. But Avram and Lot present a simple solution. As it says a few verses later, Vayipardu ish me'al achiv Avram. He and Avram separated one from the other. Rabbi Yaakov ben Asher, the Baal HaTurim, points out that the last letters of the last four words spell out Shalom, peace. In order to have peace, they needed to separate for a while. When a fight is heating up, tensions and blood pressure are rising, all that it takes to make sure that it doesn't boil over into something terrible is a little space, a break, a minute to breathe, a short walk into another space to clear the air. Too often we're eager to fight and engage so that we can win, rather than stepping back and pausing in order to have a productive and positive dialogue so that both parties can move forward in a positive direction. Look forward to seeing the Shabbat at TRZ Friday night at 7:30 p.m. for the Shabbat Experience 14 with Yedidia, and Saturday morning at 9 a.m. we'll be celebrating the Bat Mitzvah of Olivia Kadovitz. Shabbat Shalom.